Hi, I'm Thea from the Educational App Store. Welcome to another app video review. Today's application is Skool Loop. This is a great tool for helping your school communicate important information and help staff and parents stay informed.
Keep watching to see how many different forms of communication Skool Loop can improve for your school community. Here are some of the key details you need to know. Skool Loop is free for parents as schools pay a subscription. Skool Loop has free apps for Android and iOS devices. Parents and teachers use the apps to receive and send information. Schools can also access the secure web-based Skool Loop console.
Schools can update a shared calendar, send notices to the whole school community, or just a specific group.
Groups could be grades, classes, or specific activities. Dividing groups ensures parents don't get communication fatigue and only receive relevant messages.
We'll show you how easy it is for a staff member to update the whole school community. We're going to enter an event into the school calendar and send it to all parents. It is a simple web form with tools and options familiar to most people.
Each of the Skool Loop communication tools is simple to use, but Skool Loop's publishers will provide full training for staff who need it.
You only need an end date for events that cover multiple days. These could be themed weeks, residential trips, or exam periods. Enter the details, such as the event title, the dates, and some extra information. You'll notice that you choose the format of the details. Either keep it plain, as we've done, or use the formatting tools to enhance it. Finally, with all of the relevant details entered, we're ready to send the information. A message confirms all went well, and we see our new event alongside the existing ones, which we could edit or delete if necessary. Now, let's look at what appears on parents' devices. The simple menu shows all of the options parents need. Let's look at the calendar. Skool Loop marks each day with an event, and if we look at the event we just entered, there it is, accessible at any time. There's even a translate option to include everyone. The calendar helps everyone stay organized, but announcing an event with a notice ensures everyone is aware of it.
Accompanying the calendar entry with a more detailed notice helps announce events and provide parents with all the necessary information.
Parents can enable Skool Loop notifications to ensure they never miss an update.
Skool Loop's communications are secure and synchronized without any user effort. If parents have the app, they'll get Skool Loop communications. You can have the app link with other platforms used by your schools and choose to have a direct link to your school portal. Accessing all of Skool Loop's features within the iOS and Android apps is easy for parents.
Skool Loop isn't a one-way communication tool. It also lets parents keep in touch with schools using the same free app.
Parents can inform schools of absences, arrange parent-teacher interviews, and provide consent for activities.
The tools for viewing and sending communications are all found from the same main menu, making the app easy for parents. Make getting 100% permission slip returns easy by requesting them in Skool Loop and getting a response from parents the same way. Parents choose the relevant event, complete the details including any special requirements. Once completed and submitted, schools have all they need. No lost letters, no last-minute dashes for parents. It is all much safer and more reliable than relying on kids to act as messengers. It's just as easy for sick days and medical appointments. Parents open Skool Loop and they choose the absentee option and complete the details. They can choose direct contact if they want to speak in person. Each communication tool in Skool Loop feels carefully chosen to reflect what school communities need. None of them feel like padding, adding complexity without usefulness. Together, Skool Loop's features will help the app earn a place on the homepage of parents' devices. If the idea of a digital platform that makes communication easy appeals to you, you're probably wondering about the onboarding process. First, we'd recommend confirming it meets your needs by checking out the online demo. This simulation of Skool Loop gives you a parental perspective of using the app without having to spend time setting it up. They don't need to create an account. They select their child's school from already within the app.
There is no setup fee for Skool Loop. The only cost to schools is the subscription, Remember, it is entirely free for parents.
Schools choose whether to protect their communications with a passphrase. Once parents have entered this passphrase, if you use one, they are fully on board. Skool Loop provides schools with the necessary support to get going. A dedicated onboarding team and video tutorials ensure the process is quick and easy. We have only good things to say about Skool Loop. Its design and tools reflect a clear understanding of how schools and parents communicate. Skool Loop's ease of use and usefulness for parents and teachers make it a service we're sure will see daily use, and that is why we have awarded Skool Loop 5 stars in this app video review. Skool Loop is a great app that thoroughly deserves its 5-star certification. You can find the full certification of Skool Loop on www.educationalappstore.com.